Hey there, today we will be installing a fairing kit for 2003 Yamaha R1. It's right here beside me, the full kit. I'm so excited to put it in, so let's do it. Finally, everything is done. The fairing is done, the front, even the muffler. I installed the muffler. I even put the plate underneath of it. Finally, because I just get rid of these mods right here. So I bought an integrated tail light with it. New fairings, new brake reservoir, and a few modifications for this because it was in here, and then we put it on the original position where it was before. So install a new side mirror, and what else, and yeah, pretty much complete. And a new turn signal, just this one. I'm gonna include that to the video as well, because I separate the video for this one. So pretty much everything complete. So that's it for today. So I'll see you on the road, Calgary, and subscribe for more. Give it a thumbs up. See ya.